Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kakenhul Menteri Jangka Sarkar Jela Klarai Banwanra ke Jingpin Bet Thema ye ke State Anthem. Dago Pynrung kat tu ni kelan ye ke Ktien Pnar ha ke ni ke Jingruai. Menteri Rangba ke Jela kan rat ke sangma ha ke Jingkeran ke lat pasai kubor ha ke santrik kelaling kot arajar pausan. Ulai thu bagi Jingwanra ke Jingpin Bet Thema ke long de ke Jingai Jumut jangki MLE ne Rilum Jaiñtia khamtam e nu sumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jela basnyam phalang dhar. Yakin ke State Anthem le Pynrung ye Ktien Jaiñtia on the Pynrung ha ka Migalai Games ke Bansalong Hawaii Jer.
I am happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives from Jaiñtia Hills, especially our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Balangthar, and the other representatives and the cabinet ministers and the public at large. The cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya State Anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the State Anthem. So this will be unveiled in the State Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Hawaii Jer in Jaiñtia Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day.